Hey, everyone! Did you know that switching to a plant-based diet can completely transform your health? Studies show that people who eat plant-based can reduce their risk of heart disease by up to 32%. That's a mind-blowing number, right? If you're serious about living a healthier lifestyle, stick around because today we're going to uncover why a plant-based diet might just be the secret you've been looking for. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because we've got tons of great content coming your way. Today, we're talking about the power of plant-based diets and how they can help you live a longer, healthier life. Let's face it, our current eating habits are leading us down a dangerous path. Heart disease is the leading cause of death globally, and rates of diabetes are skyrocketing. And you know what's driving these alarming trends? Poor diet choices. Processed foods, high in saturated fats and sugars, are wreaking havoc on our bodies. But here's the good news, a plant-based diet can be your shield against these health risks. So, what exactly is a plant-based diet? It's not just munching on salads all day, I promise. It's about filling your plate with a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and legumes. Worried about missing out on protein? Don't be. There are plenty of plant-based protein sources like lentils, chickpeas, and tofu that are not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. Now, let's talk about why you should make the switch. First off, heart health. A plant-based diet is naturally lower in saturated fats and cholesterol, which means it's fantastic for your heart. It's like giving your heart a much-needed break from all the heavy lifting. Next, there's weight management. Plant-based diets are rich in fiber, which helps you feel fuller for longer. That means you can eat more volume while consuming fewer calories, perfect for those looking to shed a few pounds without feeling deprived. And let's not forget about energy levels. Many people report feeling more energized and mentally sharp after transitioning to a plant-based diet. It's like hitting the refresh button on your body's internal system. Here's the bottom line, a plant-based diet isn't just another fad, it's a powerful tool that can protect your health and improve your quality of life. By making this switch, you're not only reducing your risk of serious diseases, but you're also fueling your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. To sum it all up, plant-based diets can help lower your disease risk, support weight management, and boost your energy levels. It's more than just a diet, it's a lifestyle that could transform your health for the better. If you're looking for a simple yet effective way to protect your health, going plant-based might just be the answer. I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried a plant-based diet? What benefits have you noticed? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And before you go, make sure to check out the description for some awesome resources that can help you get started on your plant-based journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on how to live your healthiest life. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.